If you're looking for some awesome crochet positive support animals, you're absolutely going to like this. You get 5 of them. I can only hold 3 in my hands. So you got this emotional bear right here. This says, I'll always be here for you. I'll always love you. A bear hug for you. We got this one right here, emotional support shark. Always here to remind you, you are fantastic. We got a turtle right over here. You're turtly awesome. A teeny turtle is always here whenever you need a little cheer. We got a positive bee right here. I believe in you, which is cool. And then we also got this duck right here, positive duck. I might be a tiny duck, but I believe in you. Go do your thing. You're awesome. They come in this really nice box as well. They're all individually wrapped. Really, really like this a lot. And then you also get these right here that come with it. So if you're looking for a great gift and some emotional support crochets that look awesome, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending these over so I could do this for you.